I know that hunting your first client is the hardest thing to do, even at the times when you don't have any portfolio, samples, or case studies. You are filling your portfolio with videos edited using stock videos. You are tired, you are feeling you will never get clients, you are demotivated. You have tried ranking gigs on Fiverr, but nothing worked out. You have tried sending proposals on Upwork, but nothing worked out. After that, you felt that every door is closed for you. But what if I tell you there is a way out for you? There is a way to get your dream clients without doing the work you have done before. But before telling you the secret, I want you to remember that no matter which path or direction you are picking to get clients or anything in your life, you need to start walking on that direction path in order to reach the destination you want. You cannot reach at any destinations just by switching roads and never walking on one. You need to pick one direction and path, and you need to walk on it consistently in order to reach the destination that you want. You would be thinking why he's making the video longer and not telling the secret straight away. You know what? I will tell you. I would have told you about it in the beginning, like every other guru out there. But what it would have done for you? Nothing. You will again go and switch directions and never really walk on one direction, and you will lose a big opportunity again, just like what I was about to do before starting this journey. You will lose a big opportunity again, and I won't let it happen again with you. I want you to win, just like I found this thing, and that helped me a lot in my life. That thing is called personal branding. I started building my personal brand 2 years ago. I was the same guy with no samples, portfolio, or case studies. I had no clue about what to do and how to get my first client. And I found this one way through an Instagram story, and then I start following this one direction and started creating content and building my personal brand. And 2 years later, I'm sitting here in front of a camera teaching you how to start walking on the same direction that I did 2 years back. Nah, you don't need to work 2 years to get the same results like me. I will tell you how you can get the same results in just 3 to 6 months. So first you have to know what is a personal brand. Personal brand is just a way to document and share your unique journey. It can be your business, skill set, interests, hobbies, or there's many more. And you have to build your network with others along the way with the same creators as you and the top creators in that niche, skill, interest, or hobbies. You need to observe what they are doing, what type of content they are producing, and how their profile looks like. And you just need to replicate that in your own style. You can start building your personal brand on any platform that you want. It can be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X. The best one right now is X. You only need to create your account, optimize your profile around what you do. If you are an editor, you can write video editor slash what type of videos you edit. You can write how many views you have generated for your clients and your achievements. If you don't have anything to write, just write video editor plus your niche, like what type of videos you are expert in, short form content or long form content. You can write whatever. Keep it simple, don't overcomplicate this part. And then you just need to start creating content and build network with others. You can post your past work before versus after of your videos you edited for clients, your journey, lessons, story, assets, anything you like you can share on your personal brand. You can also share your interests, hobbies, perspectives, opinions on your personal brand. You can share these things with your audience. Personal branding is just like sharing your unique story and personality with other people, and by doing this you can attract people with the same interests and opinions like you. Then you need to start building your network around other editors, content creators, and top creators in that niche. And also you want to build your network with potential clients. Your potential clients or prospect can be content creators and business owners. Then you need to engage with all of them and build relationship with them. You need to comment on their post, DM them something meaningful, give them compliments on their work, and genuinely support them. You need to do these things regularly in order to achieve results. This is a whole process. You will learn a lot of valuable things in this process, as well as you will get high paying clients and make friends. You will enjoy the process, and this will be the best investment you can make of your time. You will learn storytelling, marketing, copywriting, business related skills, and many more along this journey. And those are the best skill you can learn in this digital era. So you need to follow this process consistently in order to generate results that you want. If you really want to become successful, then you should do all of these things. I have break down more on these topics in my previous videos. You can check them out. I'm sure you will follow everything that I have mentioned in this video if you really want to achieve something in your life. So that's all for today. I will keep this video simple because I don't want to make it flashy at it. I just wanted to be honest with you here. If you really got value from this video, then make sure to give the thumbs up and also subscribe if you want more videos like this on my channel. So I will meet you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.